main gateway of Korea, Incheon Airport, based on the trust of all people, the most globally loved airport in the world. Since its opening in 2001, and through the second, third, fourth stage of development, growing in a glory. Third in cargo, fifth in passenger transportation, and first in service evaluation for 12 years consecutively. At the center of the brilliant achievement, air navigational aids for everyone's safety, and there are dedicated air navigational aid specialists round the clock. From takeoff till landing, air navigational aids are responsible for safe airways. The airport surveillance radars provide air traffic control services for aircrafts entering and leaving Incheon, Gimpo, and Seoul Airport. The primary surveillance radar detects the aircraft's location by processing the radio signals reflected from the aircraft, and the secondary surveillance radar detects the location, altitude, and ID by mutual communications with the aircraft. The detected track data and flight data provided by airlines are combined in Seoul Approach Control System and provide air traffic control information to Seoul Approach, Incheon, and Gimpo Control Towers. Support the safe operations by maintaining safe distances between aircrafts and managing the air traffic flow. The aeronautical information and telecommunications facilities provide reliable voice and text communication between aircraft and control facility. The voices of the pilots received from receiver stations are sent to the controller via the communication control station, and the voices of the controller is transmitted to the pilot via the communication control station and transmitter stations. Besides, we increase efficiency of control by operating the automatic terminal information facility that repeatedly transmits runway information, and the pre-departure clearance facility by providing services that request and confirm the takeoff of aircraft in text. The instrument landing system and VHF omnidirectional range system support the safe landing of the aircraft. At Incheon Airport, there are 8 ILS and 2 VOR systems. The VOR systems provide aircraft with the direction and distance information from the airport. And ILS consists of markers, glide paths, and localizers in order to provide three-dimensional information. The marker provides the correct distance and decision height. The glide path provides 3 degrees of landing angle information. And the localizer provides the runway centerline information. The ASDE provides safe ground control service. Surface movement radar detects aircraft by transmitting radio waves and receiving reflected radio waves. And the MSS displays CWPs by obtaining information such as flight position, identification, altitude, and velocity from aircraft. They are provided to ATC, who manage air traffic control. ASDE is core facility at night or in low visibility conditions. It is responsible for the safety of passengers in the airport. The aeronautical ground light facilities guide the aircraft's land movements at night and during low visibility situations. The aeronautical ground light facilities, which help movements of aircraft by using light and color, are operated with automatic individual route service ASMGCS and provide follow the greens service. In addition, various and effective systems, such as the Visual Docking Guidance System VDGS, allow for the safe attaching the aircraft gate and help the aircraft move safely on the ground. Air navigational aids maintain the 3 core aims for the zero faulty and non-stop operation and hold the most important social value, safety, as the top priority by utilizing the core technologies of the 4th Industrial Revolution. Above all, Incheon Airport's air navigational aids will create safer and more efficient service systems based on the ASBU framework and the Next Generation Navigation Service Plan established by the International Civil Aviation Organization. Incheon Airport, where people can always be happy inside of the safety. Our air navigational aids will accomplish this.